Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to buy stocks on trading 212. So just simply pick a stock that you want. So I have here an Nvidia, but I will choose maybe for this video the Google stock. They're blowing right now, and you just simply click on buy. If you want to buy it on dollars, if you want in euros, you can just click here and go to buy in euros. But we will buy in dollars. Just click on buy, and as you can see that I pick a buy for number of shares. So for example, I will pick one share and it will be over 200 euros. But if I want it in euros, I just simply choose 100 and I will just simply click on review and just simply make the payment, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Peace.